Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and if you are new, hello, welcome to the madhouse. Clearly, if you've been here before, you know it's very hit and miss here. We're gonna get one Nicola or the other, and we never know which one it's gonna be. So I know it's been a hot minute since I've posted, so I do apologise. Life has been lifing so damn hard and I've been struggling. However, I am passing with flying colours, clearly. No. So we're gonna go through products very quickly before I start rambling. And yeah, this whole video is probably going to be very questionable. We've not done a voiceover in like 4 weeks probably, and we have not picked up an acrylic brush for like at least, again, like 3 weeks. So we're just going to excuse this video, and this is reality of when you just don't stay consistent. But you have to trust the process. And yeah, look, just honestly. So getting into products very quickly, these sort of coloured circles, I'm not going to call it a glitter because it's not, but it is from Glitter Bells, and it is called Paintball Party. And then the colour powder that I'm using to ombre that is called the Maya Secrets Rose Cover. And you definitely do want to cap any ombres, any glitter, anything you're encapsulating in your clear. It is super important, as when you go to file, you will just file into that design and ruin all your hard work. Then on the... oh yeah, this is just like a plain nail. We love a little plain Jane around here that we can paint over. Paint over your damn plain personality. No, I'm just playing. On the pointer finger, we are going in with lavender from Glitter Bells, and we do another ombre. I think I wasn't too sure. Sometimes you'll see me do stuff and you're like, that doesn't make sense. And I don't plan my sets. I don't plan the voice. Nothing's planned around here. Especially when it comes to nails and talking to you guys. So yeah, just excuse that. Thank God for editing though. And thank God for... I think this is like the 4th time I've done this voiceover, because I was saying a whole damn lot and I just don't know if it's appropriate. So on the pinky finger, I do go in with a gorgeous bright pink called Flamingo Feather, and that is also by Glitter Bells. Again, I do ombre on that, so definitely cap that like it's capping. So I don't even know, I was gonna say something, but I changed my mind. The size brush that I am using is apparently a 16. Now she looks a little bit thin. We're not gonna thin shame or brush shame anyone around here, but I think when I'm doing longer nails, I do struggle to pick up a very large size bead. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to be able to control it, but we don't know until we can pick it up. So I definitely think I need to maybe up my game with the equipment that I'm using, which includes a new hand. And for anyone that doesn't know, this hand has been through like thick and thin with me. It's been very loyal. As you can see, her cuticles are very questionable, and that was 100% me. That was definitely my work. Sorry, but nonetheless, still loyal. So I'm having a hard time, like, why am I so attached to like a fake hand? I don't even know. But just welcome again to the madhouse. We're very passionate and very attached to this hand. I think it's just because it's been with me through the start of my nail journey, and so it's just like a little sentimental. How bizarre and weird and cute all at the same time. So again, any glitter or ombre, definitely cap that. You want to you'll sort of know if you've capped, especially glitter, properly because as it dries, it will give like a very matte finish and there'll be no glitter shining through. So that's a good way to know that you've capped your glitter. Super messy, super like just aggressive. Like we're getting the pink on the side of the nail, like honestly. You can tell I've just not picked up an acrylic brush for the longest time, and it shows, definitely shows. So as I've said, life has been lifing. So since Christmas, my 2 kids have had their birthdays, so we've had birthdays like pretty much near enough back to back. Then I've been helping my brother with a few personal issues. That's like not dramatic, but it is dramatic. I won't go into detail though because it's not my sort of place to. But it's not like life or death, but it's very like difficult to manage it and like deal with it. I bet you're all just like, what the actual fuck? And I don't know, maybe I should just put this voiceover down and just try it a different day. It is currently Friday and I definitely want to get like a video out at some point. Hopefully over the weekend, because I don't want anyone to leave because I'm not posting. Don't leave me. Don't abandon me in this. We're just at the end of January. Don't abandon me now. Like, at least wait a little bit longer. Just stick around. I'm rambling and I need to calm down. But then also one of my friends have gone something. Well, 2 of my friends have gone through things that are like quite personal, and so obviously one person's going through court to do with stuff like that, and then my other friend, her son was involved in like a very horrible incident, which we weren't sure if he was going to pull through or not. It did involve, I'll put like a little emoji, crime, and yeah, that's been like, I'm literally getting palpitations and like struggling to breathe just thinking about it, and it makes me really upset. But luckily he's pulled through. His mental health is also declining, and I think hers is too. She's definitely just trying to keep a brave face, and it breaks my heart. Like, I feel like I want to cry because it's just really it's not even just like, it's not my drama as such, it's been a lot, and we try and just support and get through each day, and this is why I've not been posting. So I definitely do apologise, and I will try and get back to it. So this is why we're having a little quick 15er today. So I won't take up much of your time because I'm sure you've all got stuff to be getting on with. Oh wow, we're here at nail art. I was literally just looking off into the distance talking, not even paying attention. So as you can see, I've sort of did like a little bit of nail art on the ring finger. I do end up filing it off because I don't know if I didn't like it. I don't know. Like I said, we don't plan. We go through it, I guess. So I did like a sort of white outline border. I did do 2 coats of the white, but I did cure in between for 60 seconds. And then I'm just like basically filling in that border with like sort of lips, little dots. Just like a little cutie design. Again, I don't plan anything. We just sort of roll with it. I definitely need to do other things such as like stamping, other like nail systems, so like gel, whether that's hard gel or builder. I need to do even like polygel. I just need to like get out my comfort zone and push myself, but there's only so much pushing I can take, so we're just waiting for the right moment to explore other nail things. I hope that makes sense. I feel like I'm making nail stuff like dead dramatic when it doesn't need to be, but I just think my personal life can kind of get in the way of me wanting to do what I want to do. Does that make sense? I hope so. So this is giving like very, I did sort of want to do like a pastel-y, just bright coloured design. I think it's definitely not pastel though, even though that was sort of my initial thought with just colour scheme. But it's been very grey here in the UK. Like, we have no sunshine. We, like, of course, because it's winter.
You're so stupid.
But my whole house pretty much is like decorated in like a very light grey. We've got like grey furniture, like white. It's just very like, there's just grey everywhere, and I need colour like right now. So here we are doing a very colourful design, and I know we see a lot of like red Valentine's nail designs, so I just wanted something a little bit different, and to just, yeah, like I said, bring a bit of colour into my life, and this was the only way I could do it. And I am here to express myself artistically, so no one laugh in the comments, thanks. How long have I been talking for? I don't know if I've come off for a break or not. Oh, honestly, so I feel like when I pause this voiceover, I'm going to listen to it and delete it, but I'm just not going to, because this is like our 4th or 5th time, and we just can't keep going through this. It's a lot. So I definitely don't like what I did in the centre, but I did end up leaving it because I couldn't be arsed filing it off. Mrs. Loyal fake ass hand lady, she loved her nail set like she always does. She's such a trooper. But I think it was just a little bit too busy for my liking. I should have just put like either like an aura design or just like a gem, or just did some like little flowers. I don't know. Let me know what you would have done. I just think it's a little too busy. But moving on. Oh, I did get my hair done. Shall I post a picture in this video? Yeah, I will. Hold on, we're doing so much here. So we're placing, I did use the, it's kind of like the fake macaw rhinestone gel. Where is it? Hold on, my chair squeaks. It's the Anna Rhinestone Glow. So we just lay that on generously, always, because we just don't know. And we just did a mixture of bright gemstones and little flowers. I then decided to do the same sort of design as I did to try and tie that middle finger. I always get very stressed and trying to make sure the design is cohesive and aesthetically pleasing. Wow, words are a struggle. So I might just not let you guys go, because it's been like nearly 3 weeks since you've heard from me, so I might just stay here for the entire like 15 minutes and however many seconds. Oh, so we had like a little situation with the lips, and in my head I was like, who did this lip filler, because they did you so damn dirty. But it's just me drawing lips, but they looked a little lumpy, and I was like, the lip filler is not lip filling and it's not looking cute. But we did just use some, hold on, I feel like I'm forgetting what everything's called, just like nail prep polish swipe, that little scenario, and it's like a little whoopsie daisy. If you make a mistake, you can just like wash it away, like washing away your sins. Yeah, I should definitely come off this voiceover. I feel like I'm butchering it, but you know what, we're just gonna put it out anyway, because why not? So here we are with the fake macaw glue, because your girl does not want to buy the real macaw glue, not just yet. We're working our way. I think cheaper products are just as good, maybe not better, but they're just as good. And if you are a beginner, definitely highly advise you just use what you got, because you can pull off some amazing sets. I am quickly going to check and see who my Binge Watch Weekly Hours giveaway is. So I'll be back in 2 ticks. So the winner for last week's giveaway is Nails by Lena, so congratulations to you. I watch up to a year's worth of videos, so I am currently binge watching your channel. I will post in the YouTube, just post, as I'm still currently watching your videos, so I'm not ready. If you want to be in for a chance to win on next week's, just like this video, be a public subscriber, and I would like you to include XO in your comment. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below, and let me know what you want to see in like future videos. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and again, I will see you in the next video. Bye.